The hidden banking cartel that survived every empire. 1. The pattern of power. History doesn't repeat, but power does. Empires fall, currencies change, and new rulers rise. Yet one force survives every cycle. Private banking families who learn how to control wealth without sitting on a throne. So what does that actually mean? It means the real power wasn't in armies or crowns, but in the people who financed them. Footnote. This section introduces the repeating pattern of financial power across eras. 2. The first blueprint. In Renaissance Italy, early banking families learned that lending money to leaders created influence. The Medici built one of the first international banking networks. They financed wars, governments, and major projects. When their bank collapsed, their political power survived because their network survived. Footnote. This section explains how early bankers gained power by funding rulers. 3. The age of resource control. After the Medici faded, the Fuggers rose by doing more than lending money. They took control of real assets like silver and copper mines. This gave them leverage over governments who depended on those materials. Even when their bank declined, they stayed influential by controlling land and resources. Footnote. This section shows how controlling physical assets strengthened financial power. 4. The rise of global finance. In the 1700s and 1800s, the Rothschild family built the first global financial network. They placed family branches in major cities and could move money across borders faster than governments. They funded wars, stabilized currencies, and shaped national decisions. Their system was built to survive revolutions and political chaos. Footnote. This section describes the creation of international financial networks. 5. The hidden cartel structure. What made these families powerful was not just wealth, but structure. They built networks that outlasted kings, empires, and political eras. They adapted by shifting roles, from bankers to landowners, from lenders to investors, from merchants to political influencers. Their strength came from resilience, not visibility. Footnote. This section explains how flexibility allowed the cartel to survive for centuries. 6. The legacy they created. Today's financial world still runs on systems these families helped create. Global banks, international credit, cross-border investments, and centralized monetary policy. Their influence is no longer tied to a single name, but woven into modern finance itself. The institutions remain even when the families change. Footnote. This section connects historical banking networks to the modern financial system.